Hi, Ed Diaz here. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a basic split inside the RD-800. Let's get started. So for our example, I'm going to go ahead and create a basic split using an electric piano and a bass. So first off, I'm going to choose an electric piano, maybe something like this. Now, if I wanted to create a split, there's already a button designated for a split. So if I look to the right of the keyboard, you see it says split. So let's press the button, and now if you look, it automatically put a bass in there for me. So let's give it a listen. So you see my split point, bass is here, the electric piano is here. If I want to adjust that split point on the keyboard, it's very easy. All I have to do is press and hold split, and then I can touch anywhere on the keyboard. So I might go ahead and put my split point in the E section, E3 for the bass, and then F3 going up is the electric piano. So let's give it a listen now. And don't forget, once again, I can adjust the volumes of those individual instruments. So my upper would layer number one would be the electric piano. And number two would be the bass. So let's give it a listen. So as we see, very easy to do. Now, what if I didn't want that particular bass in there? How could I change it? Now, don't forget, anytime we do a layer or a split inside the RD-800, it becomes a live set. So therefore, now we can use the live set edit button also on the right. So let's go ahead and press that button now. Live set edit, let's press it. And you see some of the different options that are available to us for this live set edit. I'm going to go to layer edit, cursor to the right. And you can see, here's my acoustic bass, and there's my EP. So maybe I didn't like that bass. I can go ahead and spin the dial wheel, and it'll pop up all the different sounds that are available to me. Maybe I might try a fingered bass. So let's choose that, and I'll exit. I might try something else, maybe a fretless. That's fine, exit. Turn it up a little bit. Oops, turn it up a little bit more right here. As you can see, very easy to go in there and change my sounds. Once again, if I wanted to, I could go back up to layer number one and change that electric piano to maybe something else, maybe like a Tiny EP Mark II. So exit. Now that I've gone ahead and created my split, adjusted the split point, adjusted the volumes, and even customized what sounds are in that split, now it's time to save them. So very easy to save. Remember, this is a split, so now it's a live set, so we can go to the live set and we press right there on the right of the keyboard, press that button, and now we can choose to name it whatever we want, and it doesn't really matter for our example. And I can go ahead and change what I want to call it just by spinning the dial wheel, or I can go ahead and hold down the shift button, use my left cursor to delete, use my right cursor to insert. Now that I have it named what I want, I can choose exactly where I want to put it. So remember, the live set section has banks A through J, each one of those banks having up to 20 user spots for your customized live sets. So I went ahead and chose E, and I'll go ahead and put this on E11, and let's press the enter button. It's going to ask me, are you sure? And that's just to make sure I don't accidentally erase a live set that I really wanted to keep. So I'll go ahead and press enter for yes. And now that particular split is set to E11. All right, I hope this helps you guys out a lot, and you see how easy it is to create a split inside the RD-800. Take care, and we'll talk to you later.